Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set custom ringtone or notification sound on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you are using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to set your custom ringtones or notification sounds on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings and then just scroll down and look for sound and vibration. Select it. From here, you just have to scroll down again and you'll get your phone ringtone and notification ringtone. Just select which one you want to change. As I'm going to change my phone ringtone, so you just have to select one of them. You have a list of your phone ringtones. You can easily select which one you want to choose. And I'm going to select randomly this one, so just tap on it. And now, if you want to select your ringtone for Simtro, you can easily select. If you want to select any custom ringtone from your gallery, so you just have to select custom ringtone. It will open your gallery audios. You have to select which one you want to set as, and after selecting you have to go back, and here you can easily select custom ringtone for your sim 1 or sim 2. Now select notification ringtone. Just select it, then select a ringtone from a lot of them. You just have to select which one you want to set as. After selecting, just go back. You can easily select your custom ringtone from your gallery. So that's how you can easily select your custom ringtone or notification sound for your Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.